Hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Patrick, I'm from Munich-Ai, and in today's video I quickly want to tell you something about our amazing new strategy Set and Forget 2024. So this strategy was just created to set it up and forget it literally. You set up like your take profit, what you want to earn per trade, and you can even adjust it in different markets if you like, but you can also let it run, as it makes this profit in every condition. What this means, I will show it to you. Let's first quickly switch to our website, because for our crypto trading plan, Elite Traders, you can join our membership and we will help you on Discord setting up everything. We have one subscription like the Elite Traders Club where you get everything. You can create different kind of strategies. You can be profitable in every market situation, of course, or you choose like the a little bit cheaper membership where you have like fixed strategies already you can use and connect up to Cryptohopper. And what this means today, I want to show it to you. First, we switch over to TradingView because this strategy package you will get in TradingView. And in TradingView, you will get it as an invite-only strategy. So once you open it, you get like this. You can open it and then you choose a different strategy configuration. For example, which strategy I will present you today is like, it's called Withcoin, yeah? And when you use this strategy, which is pretty amazing in all market conditions, what this means, let me show you. As we're going through the chart, you will see there's always like little profits in every day, yeah? And when it's dropping down, we average down the price so fast that we get out quickly once we get a little uptrend again. And this is pretty amazing because when you choose different kind of coins, everywhere we have a really big volatility. Even here, going up, going down, we are profitable. And even this coin breaks down, let me check how much percentage from the top. Here, 25%, it does not take that long to get profitable again. Yeah, and then in all the kind of market situation, you will get like your little trades. So I can click through different kind of coins, doesn't matter which one, you will always see like everyday trades. And the amazing thing is you can set up by yourself. It's pretty easy on Cryptohopper, or what you do, you follow our signals, which are like the set and forget. So once you're on Cryptohopper, going to the marketplace, going to signals, and then you will directly see set and forget ultimate. And this is exactly this amazing strategy you can just follow up. And once you subscribed, there's only two things you need to do. Yeah, you go to your bot, you subscribe to the signals, then you go to configuration and you exactly choose the coins we provided from you in the description, and you go to dollar cost average and set like this exact settings, like DCA max twice 30, DCA percentage trigger 0.5 and order size 105. So, and this means if you want to cover down every coin 60%, you need $670 per coin. But for now, I think half is also okay. So you need around $300 per coin to be such as profitable as we showed you just. And then you put like, let's say, sell settings, for example, on 1-2%, or you also can take trailing stop loss and use a little bit higher as you like, because the price goes down an average so good that you're always really low and then can also take the high profits. So this is a pretty nice, amazing strategy, and of course available on the Cryptohopper marketplace. You can follow up. If you'd like to set it up by yourself, go to our website, subscribe to Elite Trader strategy, and then of course we will help you set it up. But this is also all not so difficult as well. It's just a few steps. So, and another update for you today, as you know, we have in the last video, if you haven't seen it, just check it. We have created an amazing strategy with the Elite Traders Club subscription, like the Profit Hunter, which is only available on the Profit Hunter, which was called like the Supertrend strategy. Just check out the last video on my YouTube channel and you will see a configuration which is really, really good for valuable and really volatile meme coins, for example, or really high volatile coins. Because once a coin is pushing up really crazy, we will stay in the trade until the trend ends. And once we're breaking down really fast, we get out immediately out of the trades and you save your profits. So this strategy, I created 2 coins from my live bot, has made me for one coin, which is Popcat, really volatile coins, in just 4 days has made 144%, which is awesome and crazy. So this strategy is amazing. You have to try it out. And the other one is a with USDT. Yeah, it has made in 1 day and 5 hours just like 27%. This is really crazy. Of course, we pushed up right now today, but before today, I was already over above 100%. So the coin is really going up, down, up, down. We have a little pushes always, and then the strategy jumps into the trade and getting out when we break down. So you can just let the strategy run for longer time and backtest on the best coins for yourself. So if you want to have this strategy as well, just subscribe to our Elite Traders membership. I will looking forward to see you. And if you have questions, just go to our website and ask questions here on the downside. We will be happy to answer always. That's it for the video today. I hope you like it. Please subscribe me, give me a thumb up, and see you next time. Bye bye.